moved up half the grid on that move. Hello folks, I'm Netcruzer RC. I'm at the all-new Bego Racing RC Raceway in Mirabel, Quebec. They've moved it from Napierville, Quebec to Mirabel, Quebec. We've just finished our 3 qualifiers and we're about to head out into the single mains. This is going to give you a brief little look at the track. They're just building out the mains. I'm not entirely sure exactly where I am, but I do believe I've locked myself into the B. They did single qual points today. It was your best run out of your 3 quals and there's no bump ups. I did have some unfortunate incidents with traffic that I'll talk to you about in a minute. I'm going to go back to the pits and I'll talk to you about my Truggy. This is my Techno ET48 2.0 Truggy. No real changes to the actual setup of this other than I tried some different tires this event. I started out on the Sweeps Carbide T, which have a little bit more of a bar in the center, and I ran qual 1 and qual 2 with the Sweeps Carbide, but I found them to be a little bit skatey. This bar, I found it's a little bit slidey. So I switched back to a J Concepts Reflex. These are both soft compounds. This is a soft compound in Sweeps, and this is the soft compound in J Concepts. This one is noticeably softer. It's a softer foam and a softer tire, and I'm getting better lap times with this. I had an excellent Q3 with this, but unfortunately I had a traffic incident. It's really kind of frustrated me because I was holding 3rd in that qualifier, but I got hit with lap traffic. He wheeled the wheel, knocked me over in no man's land, dropped me down to 10th, which puts me into the B main, and since we're doing no bump ups, that took me from a mid A main start being top of the B likely in Truggy. So that landed me to 14th overall because they're only doing your single best qual points, your best run, that's it. And that was my best run up until that incident happened, and that knocked me down. So that was very punishing, really hurt. Race director didn't see it or chose not to call it for some reason. The vehicle went off the groove, off the line, hit the pipe, and was coming back on track. I was already on the line and he bumped me wheel to wheel, and that flipped me over. And then I had a 10-second marshal, which, just for how competitive everyone here is, getting 1 marshal hurts. Getting a marshal that's 2 to 3 times above average time to get you, that drops you immediately to the bottom of the grid. So that really hurt. Not exactly sure where we are starting in the B main. They're just printing out the A mains now, but we're going to go out in this Truggy next. Okay, I have a correction to make. I guess they had Live RC configured incorrectly. They did not take the only your best run of the 3 quals. They've just updated Live RC to be best 2 of 3, and that has significantly improved my position in Truggy, and now I am in the A. Now I'm starting at the very bottom of the A main in Truggy because they changed the way that they ran the stats. It's how I thought they were going to run it, and then I was looking at my phone all day, looking at the stats and being like, what the heck, they're only going to take the best run? That's weird. They're not. Now it is best 2 of 3, and I get to start in the A main Truggy. It's still not as good of a position as I should have been. I should have been starting mid-pack. Now I'm starting 13th out of 13th in the A main Truggy. We'll see if we can move up significantly in this race. All right, here we go for the E-Truggy A-main. I'll be starting 13th on the grid from the very back. We'll see if we move up any in this 8-minute main. Okay, practice lap. Taking it very easy because there's so much traffic all of a sudden. We still got 1 jump forward. Okay, gonna get gridded up in a moment. Whoa! Get that one over with before we start the race. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Here we go. Technoman Steve's again in pole. Just moved up half the grid on that move. All right. Courteous and waited.
Alors, il est devant. Il en va nous monter. Il est en droit. Non, non. Oh, le gars, il est bon. Voilà la chose. La lumière qui est partie. Après une domination dans les galets, puis les deux premiers tours, le gars, donc il est gagné. Puis la suite, ça va être rough pour plusieurs personnes aujourd'hui. Je pense que ça soit la suite, la journée, on va le dire. On prend le tour sur la montée, après, vous êtes là. Donc, Madame Rosal, 2 minutes de libre, j'ai arrêté. Il y avait un carbonon avec le deck, un plage, donc il y avait la navigation, il y avait la vallée, l'aliment, la personnage et les mélanges.
And we get away from those guys. Seven.
Alors, peut-être on va avancer en milieu. Alors, c'est pas bien long. On va être prêt pour repartir dans la vie. He's by. See?
Oh. Well, if that was for position, but he had a better line, so I let him have it.
This.
Lean back, lean back. Bring her home. Bring her home. Yes, that was a clean race. Good, clean race. Woo! Where did I finish? Oh! Oh! From last to fourth. What a run. Four. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Woo! Woo! That was a good run. 13th to 4th. Way to go. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. All right, a 4th place finish in the Truggy A-main starting from 13th. Doesn't get much better than that. Be nice if we got a full podium, but came damn close. 13th to 4th in that A-main Truggy.